Hamilton, Leave Me Alone. It's hard to take the first step when I don't know the way. This time it's so uncertain. I learned to walk by faith, but you gave me a promise that you will never leave. You will lead and guide me, Lord, I do believe. Lead me, Lord, I will follow. Lead me, Lord, I will go. You will call me, I will answer. Lead me, Lord, I will go. Your plans for me are perfect. I never need to fear. But though in times I feel alone, I know that you are here. My heart just wants to follow. I will learn to obey. You